Welcome. For this project, I will be creating the Delos Light Topaz Necklace. I will be using traditional check glass seed beads in 3 sizes and 925 gold finish components to attach the catch. The tools I will need to use are chain nose pliers and side cutters. The light topaz colour is the largest seed bead and it is enhanced by a rainbow effect and a soft matting. These size 32 seed beads are 8mm in size and one of the largest seed beads produced by Preciosa Ornella. They are also the exception to the numbering rule and are called potatoes by the Czechs because they are too large for the traditional numbering system. The brushed metallic gold in size 5, which is 4.5mm seed bead, is a key component within the necklace as it fluidly bridges the gap between the light topaz seed beads and the smaller size 9 permalux seed beads. Our permalux seed beads are matte in bright modern colours. To thread my beads onto, I will be using Griffin beading wire clear coated 7x7 cable in 0.45mm diameter. This is for flexibility and durability. Cut 50 centimeters of your cable. You can use a bulldog clip or something similar on one end of your cable to prevent your beads from sliding off as your necklace grows in length. In the following order, pick up onto your cable the first section of beads, a light topaz size 32, a brushed metallic gold, and then 3 permalux. Turn your cable around. Another size 5, and this time pick up your permalux the other way around. Before I carry on, I'm going to pop on my bulldog clip and then I'm just going to continue repeating the pattern until the desired length required is achieved, following the order in which the permalux seed beads sit. Finish on the size 9 seed beads as these beads will sit next to the finishing cable end components. Finishing off your necklace, attaching ends and a catch, is just as important as the arrangement of beads. The cable end is a neat and professional component and works well on this choker length of necklace. Place the cable into the sleeve of the cable end. Using your chain nose pliers, fold prong 1 and 2 and 3 over the cable. Nudging the prongs from the sides and then squeezing the top and bottom, create a firm attachment evenly around the cable. A final squeeze across the top and bottom for super security if necessary. Attaching your clasp. Open up a 4.5mm jump ring with your chain nose pliers. Always open your jump rings apart gently, one side towards you and one side away from you. On one side of the necklace, slide your open jump ring into your cable end fitting. Now, add your catch into the jump ring as well. Close the jump ring using your chain nose pliers. Your clasp is now secured. Before attaching a jump ring to the opposite side of the necklace, we will create a matching extender chain. Cut a piece of chain so it consists of 14 links. Put this aside until later. Use a charm pin to create the end of your extender. Charm pins are a 0.4mm diameter wire, which makes bending and shaping the wire easier. There is a small bead welded onto the bottom of the wire to hold the choice of beads on the wire. Pick up onto your charm pin one tropical peach seed bead, a violet seed bead and a nice green seed bead. Holding the beads in one hand, use your chain nose pliers to grip the charm pin very close to the top of the seed beads and gently bend the wire 90 degrees. Place your round nose pliers above but touching the 90-degree bend, and with your spare hand wrap the charm pin wire around the pliers to create a loop. The size of the loop will depend on where on the pliers you wrap. Pick up the length of 11 links of chain onto your loop. Hold the loop between chain nose pliers. With your spare hand, take the tail of the charm pin and wrap the charm pin tail over the front of the neck of the wire. Rotate the beads 180 degrees, bringing the tail of the charm pin into the previous position. This allows more control over the wrapping. With your spare hand, take the tail and continue to wrap the charm pin tail over the front of the neck of the wire. Repeat the step until the charm pin tail is flush up against the top of the seed bead. This should be approximately 3 to 4 full wraps. The excess wire is now cut off and the end tucked in with the tips of your chain nose pliers. Pick up a new 4.5mm jump ring and open up the jump ring using your chain nose pliers. On the opposite side of the necklace, to the catch end of the necklace, slide the open jump ring into your cable end fitting. Before you close the jump ring, pick up your extender chain onto the open jump ring. Close your jump ring. If you would like to create the Delos necklace, I have created a complete kit with all the beads, components and cable. Click on the links below. There should be enough beads to create a matching Delos contour stretchy bracelet. The link for the free instructions and a link for the Griffin elastic bead cord for the contour bracelet can also be found in the links below. Thank you for watching.